Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off camera in Google Chrome on Windows to protect your privacy and control which sites can access your camera. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the browser where all site permissions are managed, and it's important to start here. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. This opens Chrome's main settings menu where you can adjust privacy and security options. Step 3. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section contains all the tools to manage your data, site permissions, and safety while browsing. Step 4. Click on Site Settings. Here you can control what websites are allowed to access, including your camera, microphone, and location. Step 5. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click on Camera. This shows a list of sites with camera access and allows you to block or allow them individually. Step 6. Select the option Don't allow sites to use your camera. This will prevent any website from accessing your camera without your permission, keeping your privacy secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.